Reference planes in Revit are invisible guides that help you align, position, and model elements accurately. They are very useful when you need precise control over your design. To start, go to the Architectural tab and click on Reference Plane. Click to place the first point, then click again to place the second point, just like drawing a line. You can rename each reference plane from the Properties palette or project browser to keep your model organized. Reference planes can be used to align walls, columns, or components. When you move or place elements near them, temporary dimensions will appear. These help you adjust the exact distance or alignment. Click on the dimension value and type a new number to update the position precisely. Now, try this exercise. Create 2 reference planes, one vertical and one horizontal. Name them Center X and Center Y. Align the west wall with the reference line Y. Adjust the south wall 2,000 millimeters from the reference line X. By practicing this, you'll learn how to use reference planes and temporary dimensions to control your model like a pro.